people not getting it. You say you spit fire, when really I'm the only one out here spitting it. The way I set it off to the way that I deliver it. Never coming at you soft, never speaking gibberish. Always making sense, hence suckers are illiterate. Always putting on facades, rarely be admitting it. Stay outspoken, so some say I'm militant. It's not that, I have a low tolerance for ignorance. People hate, cause I am determined and I'm diligent. Lane so below my level, couldn't even get with this. Take time to write my rhymes, very meticulous. If you think you're competition, that would be ridiculous. See, I'm what they call the truth, I'm what the definition is. People say this all the time, but y'all are my witnesses. And it be perjury if you said I wasn't killing this. You have no sense if you said you wasn't feeling this. Red Shades, the Ramzo Cypher.